In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create a club in EFC26. For creating club, we need to go to Manager Career, then go to Original Options from here, and then we need to create a new Manager Career. So for that, I'll select Create New Options from here. After that, we need to go for Fresh New Season, and then you can go for Use Current Squads. You can choose your manager. So I want Real Manager. Then choose any of the manager from here. So let's say I wanna go for this one. I can just select him by pressing A or cross. Now here's the mistake many people do. They just simply advance from here, which you don't want. So we need to change our team first, and then we'll be able to get this option of create your club. So select this option, and after that you can choose your club name. So type any of the name here, and then you can choose your nickname, short name if you want, and we can also choose our abbreviation. In case you wanna have club mascot, then you can select that option from here. And now advance. Now we need to select our club team. Keep in mind the team you select will be replaced with your club, so that's why select it according to you. And then we need to choose our rival, and the rival should be from the same league. After that we can customize our kit. So for that I need to select this option. Now in case you wanna customize your home kit, then select this option. Away kit option is here. This is the third kit, and this is goalkeeper kit. So I wanna customize my home kit. I'll select this option from here. After that, choose the pattern you wanna use. So let's say I wanna go for this pattern. So bunch of patterns are here, but I wanna go for this. And then we can choose our primary color. So let's say I want to go for this one. After that, choose your secondary color. After that, you can also customize your crest. So this is the logo you will be using for your club. So let's say I wanna go for this one. Then I can just select that. You can also change the color of your crest. Now we have stadium option. So if you select this, then we'll be able to customize our stadiums as well. So I wanna customize my home stadium. I'll just select this option from here. Then choose any of the preset stadium. So let's say I wanna go for this one. I can just select that. And now we'll be customizing this home stadium. So I wanna change stands. Then I can go to stands. You can change the stadium color, seats color, and then we have a bunch of options in pitch as well. So you can go through all of these options and explore them on your own, and then go to bottom and select advanced. Then we can manage our squad settings. So I want 4-star rating for my squad. I'll just select that. Then choose your squad age. So I want a young squad. So I'll just select that from there. Then choose your transfer budget. So I wanna start from beginner level. So for that I'll select $1 million. Then choose your board expectations. Scroll down to the bottom and advance. So these are the all players which will be available on my squad. So let's say I wanna customize any of the player. Then I can just select him. And after that I can choose his first name, last name, kit number. So basically you can customize every player individually. The only thing you can't change here is their faces, but rest of the things are customizable. You can also choose the celebration type as well. And now go back from here and save your changes. So customize all of the players like you want. Then scroll down to the bottom and advance from here as well. And then we can choose our manager career settings. So choose your gameplay type, difficulty level, simulation level, manager market, and then press main menu key or option button on your PlayStation. And once you sign your contract, your manager career will be created with your custom club. So we can see our custom club in team management, and that's it. You have created your own custom club in FC26 career mode, ready to start your journey from the bottom or jump straight to the top. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.